Welcome to F4 Sisters Dreamhouse. In today's story, join Christie and her mom, Margie, as they set off on an exciting trip to a beautiful hill village for a wedding. Their journey is filled with fun moments, surprises, and new discoveries. Along the way, you'll also learn useful English vocabulary that will help you speak and write better every day. Listen carefully. Wedding vocabulary.
Hi, I'm Christie. This story is about a week that felt like a movie, full of laughter, unexpected turns, and memories stitched into my heart forever. It all began when Mom, Margie, the queen of organized chaos, announced that we were going to my cousin's wedding in our family's hometown, tucked away in the hills of Vermont. "Pack light, Christie," she said, while stuffing her suitcase with scarves, snacks, and mystery novels. The moment our car curved into the hills, something inside me felt different. The air wasn't just cool, it was crisp, like freshly ironed pages of a new book. Pine trees stood tall like ancient guards, and the birds above sang like they had secrets to tell. As we reached the little village, I saw white wooden houses with porches, kids riding their bikes barefoot, and neighbors stringing fairy lights and hanging paper lanterns to decorate the backyard for the wedding. My cousin Max, the groom-to-be, greeted us with a warm hug. He looked both nervous and excited. I winked at him. "Big day, huh? Don't trip walking down the aisle." The wedding was straight out of a storybook. The altar was set up under a big oak tree, wrapped with fairy lights and garlands of wildflowers. Max looked sharp in his navy blue suit, and the bride, Lisa, looked like a princess in her flowing white gown. During the rehearsal dinner, I surprised everyone with a short speech and a silly dance. Mom made me do it. My heart was pounding, but the laughter and applause made it worth it. When it was time to leave, I didn't want to go. The hills weren't just a background for the wedding, they had become part of my story. I'd laughed, danced, and made memories I'll never forget. As we drove back, I looked at the hills one last time. They weren't silent. They had whispered to me, and I had listened.
Interesting vocabulary and phrases. Unexpected turns means surprising changes or events. Example: our trip to the beach took some unexpected turns when it suddenly started raining and we got lost on the way home. Stitched into my heart means deeply connected memories. Example: the day my little sister was born is stitched into my heart forever. Chaos means a state of complete confusion or disorder. Example: there was chaos in the kitchen when the blender exploded and spilled juice everywhere. Crisp air means fresh and cool air, especially in the mountains. Example: we stepped outside and felt the crisp air of the early morning. Ancient guards means strong, old trees that feel protective. Example: the tall oak trees stood like ancient guards around the old castle. Fairy lights means small decorative lights, often used for decoration during festivals, weddings, or parties. Example: we hung fairy lights across the garden to make it look magical for the party. Winked means closed one eye quickly as a friendly or playful signal. Example: I winked at my friend during the test to make her laugh. Aisle means a walkway between rows of seats, shelves, or in a church or wedding hall. Example: the bride walked down the aisle with a big smile on her face. Altar means the place where the bride and groom stand during a wedding. Example: the couple stood at the altar and said their wedding vows. Rehearsal dinner means a special dinner before the wedding day for close friends and family. Example: at the rehearsal dinner, everyone gave funny and emotional speeches for the bride and groom. Pounding heart means heart beating fast due to excitement or nervousness. Example: my heart was pounding as I stepped onto the stage to perform. Thank you.